Hey all, Chris Bassett here. Is Destiny 2's Code Weasel giving you a problem? I've got a couple of solutions. Let's get into it. Google describes error code Weasel as Bungie's code name for an issue that occurs when Destiny 2 players try to log onto multiple accounts simultaneously while cross-save is enabled on their account. So what actually happened to me was I had my Destiny item manager on my phone, and then I also tried to log into my Xbox to play. So since I was logged into the app on my phone and I tried to log into my Xbox simultaneously, it kept giving me the code Weasel. Some of the other solutions that Google offers is to reset the console, reset your router, and then also do like a cache clear. I wouldn't recommend doing the last thing because that requires you to completely restart your console and then delete Destiny and re-download Destiny, and that takes hours. To reset your router is pretty simple. You just unplug it from the wall, wait 2 minutes, plug it back in, and then that should reset the router. So here's a list of the top 5 fixes for error code Weasel. Replace your coax cables and splitter, clan invites, create a new account, unlink your Destiny app from your phone, which is actually what worked for me. So here I'm just going into my phone and I just need to log off. I had Destiny item manager so that way I could move items from my vault to my character, but obviously that caused problems, so I'm gonna log out, and then it fixed it. Hey, check out this other video right here. There's a link down in the description to save money on electronics, so check that out. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.